All right, check this out. We came across this 1978 Jeep Golden Eagle at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2023 edition. It's a beautiful restoration by Jeff Black and the crew at Truckers Warehouse. Now, we talked to Jeff, and we just had to make him the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Jeff says he bought this Jeep about 8 months ago, and it was a total rust bucket. Just look at it now. The interior upgraded from the original denim, but Jeff wanted to pay homage to that, so he still used the original buttons on the seats. I mean, he thought of every detail. Under the hood, man, that is an upgrade as well. That's an LT motor that makes tons of power, and get this, 600 pounds of torque. Jeff's always loved off-roading, and since he bought Truckers Warehouse, he says he's been upfitting more Jeeps than any other vehicle. By the way, Jeff's next project, well, he just bought a 1983 CJ7, and his plan is to have that one ready for the Jeep Invasion in 2024. If you're into things that go, cars, trucks, planes, boats, motorcycles, whatever it is, you could qualify to be Motorhead of the Week. Maybe you just like our show, and we're glad you do. Just send us a note at motorheadgarage.tv. Hey, I want to give a special shout out to our friends at PaintedAutoParts.com for sponsoring Motorhead of the Week, and a super special thanks to you for watching Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. We will do it again next week. We hope you join us then. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, we'll see you next time. Drive safely.